We received the Samsung Galaxy A71 from another technician. Press the power button to turn on the phone. According to the first technician, the phone freezes and restarts within a few minutes after turning it on. Because of that, he thought the phone's problem was a software issue, which is why he tried to factory reset it. Set up the phone to see what happens. System UI isn't responding. This usually doesn't happen during phone setup unless there's a system problem or hardware issue. We confirmed that after selecting the wait option, it immediately stopped, turned off, and restarted. Since the phone has been factory reset, let's try the hardware method this time. Let's start disassembling the phone. Disconnect the display, antenna wire, fingerprint sensor, and main flex cable. Then take out the charging board. Usually, the restarting issue on these Samsung phone models is caused by the charging board, so let's try replacing it first. Connect the main flex cable, display, and fingerprint sensor. Use tweezer to turn on the phone. Set up the phone again. Let's see if the issue is resolved after replacing the charging board. System UI isn't responding. This message appeared during the first setup of the phone, then stopped and restarted. The issue persists after replacing the charging board. Since the charging board isn't responsible for the problem, let's check other parts of the phone. Next, let's try replacing the main flex cable. Position the main flex cable correctly and connect it to the charging and main boards. Then connect the battery flex cable. Use tweezer to turn on the phone. Set up the phone again. System UI isn't responding, and it keeps appearing, indicating the issue isn't resolved. Since the main flex cable is still not the cause of the problem, let's move on to the battery. Disconnect the battery and remove the main flex cable. Use the pry blade to remove the battery. This time, we will replace the battery. Let's see if the problem is with the battery. Place the main flex cable in the correct position. Next, connect to the charging and main board, then connect the battery flex cable. Use tweezer to turn on the phone. Set up the phone again. The phone was starting to set up when it suddenly turned off and restarted. Disconnect the battery and main flex cable. Next, disconnect all cameras attached to the motherboard. Remove the screw from the motherboard. Disconnect the antenna wire and take out the motherboard. Now let's try again with the cameras detached from the motherboard. Connect the main flex and battery cable. Then, turn on the phone. Set up the phone again. System UI isn't responding, message appears once more. We have already replaced the charging board, main flex cable, and battery. We have also removed the cameras from the motherboard, but the restart issue persists. Disconnect the battery flex cable. Now, only the fingerprint sensor remains. This is the final component we will remove from the phone. Connect the battery flex cable and then power on the phone using tweezers. Set up the phone again. After removing the fingerprint sensor, the system UI isn't responding message no longer appeared, allowing the phone setup to continue. The Samsung Galaxy A71 system UI isn't responding, freezes, and restarts. After extensive testing, the part causing the issue has been identified, and the phone is now working properly.